Hey peeps, just here to say that, well, whatever there is to say, hope everybody has had a happy Halloween and I'm messing with my hair now, it's all poofy and it feels like a barbed wire fence. So I'm just here to say basically, I hope everybody had a nice Halloween, and Bonfire night is, well, while I'm filming this today, I do believe, so I hope everybody has a good one of those too. Enjoy the fireworks, blah blah blah. Hope that the silly chavs on the street stop throwing those weird things when you throw them on the flagger they go bang, because I hate those. But I hope, am I going buzz-eyed? Well, I hope everybody has a nice whatever, and another update, I may be doing a tutorial on how to do scene hair with cat ears, so I will see you later. And once again, my obsession of looking over there keeps distracting me. It's just a natural instinct because of this thing. This thing here. It always distracts me because I'm always looking at myself and just thinking, woo. But I guess I'll see you later and whatever. And I've got a load of videos that I haven't uploaded, so this is going to be the last video that I've uploaded of lots. So, ciao.